This helmet intercom headset. Press and hold the power button, power on. Volume plus, next the track button. Intercom button, voice key. Volume down, previous track button. Speaker, microphone interface. Charging port. Split mount with back clip. Easy to install. Two headsets are available. Soft microphone, hard microphone. Power on, enter connection mode. Turn on phone Bluetooth. You can see Kinlife Y-SHARX. Click to connect. Pair up. Indicator blinks slowly. Bluetooth connection is successful. Before connecting the intercom, turn off phone Bluetooth. The Bluetooth off. Indicator blinks quickly. Press intercom key to enter the intercom mode. Two machines turn on. Press the intercom button. One in receive mode, one in transmit mode. Slow blinking receive mode. Flash blinking launch mode. When the intercom is paired successfully, the light in the grid flashes once every 1 second. Contact us for more details.